Hey, John boy, bet 100. Watch this. Hey, bet 100, John boy. Watch this.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Okay.
Bet. I got your money. I bet.
We bet. We betting, right?
If they let us on the track, I got your 100. Yeah, bet.
We betting 100. Bet.
Uh-oh.
Hey.
It's gonna go down, y'all. It's going down again. Alright, y'all. We got my boy Milton, Slim Thug, Blackjack in the building. He's saying that he gonna be able to hang with Blackjack on these rims, y'all. You thought?
John boy can't beat that car.
Yeah, he talking about.
John boy can't beat that car.
He gonna make consistent passes though.
He can't beat this
gonna
car
make consistent
unless
passes.
it's fixed.
You think he probably know it will fix or something, man? I'm gonna have some new hoodies and Jack shirts ready. And what y'all know about this Donk, man? And then y'all be Donk racing, man. This team Silent Killer, man. One of the top Donk racers out there, man. Up there with Donk Master, you know, Blue Magic, Macho, all them boys, man. Watching from New Zealand, what's up with it? Nah, man, y'all, this ain't no regular Donk, y'all. This one of them special kind that run like that's fast, man. I'm telling you, this my boy. He look at who he finna race. Look who wanna race him. Look who, why would
John boy can't beat that car.
this person wanna race this person? If he ain't in this class, he in these type of classes, man.
Unless it's fixed.
This boy got, I can't even say the word all pro. He got all pro heads on the LF.
You can handle that. You can handle that.
And won't give a 5,000 pound car nothing.
Yeah.
That's what it is, badass 5'3".
Yeah.
No way then.
Yeah, this that badass 5'3" been telling y'all about. He found the deal.
Yeah, he found the head of I wish I would have found it.
Yeah, he found a deal on him some shit, man. He did a payment plan. Y'all don't know nothing about that payment plan.
Hey, when he wins, watch,
Yeah.
watch how he jump up and down and talk like he
Like
just did something.
Yeah.
John boy can't beat that car.
They said you don't get no credit even when you win.
That's how it be, man.
He don't get no credit.
Look at that.
He ain't got nothing in there, man. Look at the bump. He all the way lightweight, man.
Light as a bubble, but that's my dog, man.
Man, he all the way light, man. He ain't got no, man.
It didn't come with a bump up there.
Oh, it didn't come with a bumper. Oh, okay.
That's a lie. This bump came with a bump.
Man, look at Blackjack, man. He ain't got no interior, y'all.
We out there to see this, man.
Oh, he got a thin seat. Oh, he got a back seat, though.
He got fiberglass in it.
Look, fiberglass. Man, look, y'all. He ain't got no door panels. He's saving all the weight, man. He cheap.
Hey, but look, watch this. I'm gonna show y'all something. Look.
Look, let me see.
Oh, shit.
Oh, okay. He got electric window. Got Blackjack versus John Boy. I believe Blackjack gonna take care of. Yeah. Got John Boy. He say he the king of the rim racing in Dallas, Texas. Can't nobody on rims in Dallas beat him. Brilliant. I think he might got it sold up for the whole Texas. No roll cage in neither one of them, y'all. No roll cage race cars. Look out, look out. We got the laws in the building. Got the laws in the building, y'all. Appreciate y'all sharing the video. Ooh, this gonna be a good one right here, y'all. Alright, here we go, the grand finale of the night. We got Slim Thug, Blackjack. I guess they told him it wasn't a good burnout. Uh-oh. Okay. Uh-oh, Blackjack versus the Donk, y'all. Got Blackjack on the left lane, Silent Killer in the right lane. Left lane got Nitrous, right lane got Turbo. Ooh, y'all heard that? Set up. Ooh-wee. Look at this RPM man, y'all. He ready. Where y'all got a turbo over there, y'all. Right lane don't have traction. Oh man, we'll see. Uh-oh, he ready? Let's see, here we go, y'all. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe. Let everybody know. All the turbo lovers, donk racers need to be tagged. There they go. Boy over there still ready. Oh, here we go. Oh! Right lane for the win, y'all. Right lane for the win. Oh man. John boy with the upset. Boy, John boy with the upset. He done took off, man. Oh, that wasn't no good burnout.
They must didn't bet nothing.
Yeah, they bet it. They bet it. Yeah, 500. It cost them. It probably cost you too.
Yeah, it did, but I bet they didn't bet nothing.
They bet 500. Yeah, they bet 500, man. Yeah, they did. He can't beat John boy, man. You see John boy.
He can't beat boom. Play with my shit when it's legit.
Yeah.
Play with my shit. That man lost on purpose.
No, he didn't. Yeah.
They ran for my town.
They ran for money.
Say, go to the trailer and see those slims be paying him off.
He can't believe it. Fucking.
That shit was.
That was set up.
He didn't do a burnout. You see that?
Yeah, I seen what he
He didn't
did.
do a goddamn burnout. Yeah, but they wasn't no burnout. He was doing bullshit. First time he was up the second
Yeah.
he all the way up. Same thing for the second.
Hey, that was a good burnout, man. That second one was a good burnout, man. Hey, was that a good burnout, y'all?
That wasn't no good burnout.
Man, man, that was a good burnout. Hey, man, that was. Everybody on here saying that was a good burnout.
That was a weak ass burnout.
Oh, okay.
That was a weak ass burnout. He thought he could bullshit John boy.
Yeah. Hey, you can't play with John boy, right?
No, you can't play when you trying to let him win.
Oh, okay. Man, that's it.
That man let that man win.
Yeah, that was a setup, man.
Let that man win.
Damn, man.
So this ain't no way this boy do a good burnout.
Yeah, he did one. It was trying to hook, man. The track was hooking.
He spin.
Yeah, he did spin, though.
He do that.
Yeah, he
I
did
don't
spin.
like that old bullshit.
That was set up. He said that was set up, y'all.
It wasn't no legit race. He was just bullshit.
Man, let's
I
go.
tried to bet John boy.
What do you want
He
to?
bet.
That's because I thought
Didn't believe
Slim Thug. They did. Yeah, I thought they
that
were
wasn't
going.
even no legit burnout.
He did it twice
Yeah,
though.
but that first burnout was bullshit. You see that right low. And then the second was some bullshit. He didn't do a good
I
burnout.
don't know. I wasn't even paying no attention. I knew
Oh, you- Oh, you thought?
John boy can't beat that car.
Yeah, he talking about.
John boy can't beat that car.
He gonna make consistent passes though.
He can't beat this
gonna
car
make consistent
unless it's
passes.
fixed.
He gonna make consistent
You think he
passes.
probably know it was fixed or something,
He
man?
can't beat it.
Oh no, that shit wasn't fixed.
Funkytown said it was fixed because he
It
ain't
He
did.
do it.
always said
Hey,
it's fixed.
I say fixed, I call it the way it looks.
Right, the way you feel.
The way it feels.
Yeah, the way you feel.
Yeah. So that was a fixed race, y'all. Cause the old boy didn't do no
He
good
ain't
burnout.
really do no good burnout.
Yeah. So hey, y'all, it was fixed, man. Make sure y'all like, share, subscribe, do anything, heart, love. I'ma be in No Guts, No Glory in Orlando, Florida.
Luke motherfucking ass right now. That man called him right. No. That man called your ass right now.
Get the truck back right.
Say, Cloud, here goes the owner right here. Here's what y'all doing, no. Tony said he knocked the silver off that bitch. He said he knocked the silver off that motherfucker. Hey, Tony said he knocked the silver off that ragged motherfucker. That's what Tony said.
Look at Funkytown putting words in Tony's mouth, y'all. He still, man. Look, he finna tell him that one. They gonna slip.
He got dirt on the tires. Go look, I bet it's a dirt patch on the passenger tire. He got us all fucked up.
I gave all this shit.
Oh, you gave up?
Slim Thug gonna get us some bullshit, man.
Damn, what's that motherfucker? Ooh, we lit, fuck me up.
I try to bet John Boy, I know. John Boy ain't want to bet shit.
Hey man, I ain't make now pass. I came out the trailer.
Yeah.
I ain't got no excuses. Tell him get back up there for 5,000 next week.
5,000. You tell him. Go up there and tell him now. Funkytown said it's set up, man.
I said he didn't do no good burn. I don't like that.
Oh,
He
okay.
didn't do a good burn. It don't look right to me. Young boy can't fuck with this car.
Yeah.
Any kind of
Slim
mishap,
Thug
man,
used to
it's
do a
over.
good burn out. He didn't do no good burn out, man.
Man, we're gonna have to get you over there to tell him.
He gonna get that summon.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get. Yeah, we're gonna have to get you over there and tell him when the how long to hold that burnout, cause
He need my burnout
system in there. You got to
just
look.
tell you how long to do a burnout when the tires get hot. Just tell you.
Yeah, tell you how hot it's getting, man. What?
Did he do it good to get burned out?
I thought he could have did a little better.
That's what I'm trying to tell you, man.
He ain't
He'll
do-
kill John Boy. Old boy can't fuck with this car.
Hey man, listen. If he do what he did any kind of way, he dead. That motherfucker running 123, 124. He ain't finna catch that motherfucker. If he get anywhere close to the
He run that same mile.
he don't run that mile an hour. This motherfucker light. I guarantee this motherfucker don't run probably 115 on the best day, cause he's so light. He just got a good 60 foot. Hey, this motherfucker weak
I bet you
motherfucker.
500. I'll show you a ticket.
I
Right now, when I
just
just
did
started,
say
nigga.
it.
Say, man, I got 500 say my ticket, my speed faster than yours.
Bet 500.
To pass our
Bet
race,
500.
my
Hey, I
speed.
bet
We
you
gonna
on
bet
that.
on the
I bet
speed.
you on that.
We gonna bet on the speed.
Can I
We gonna
put
bet on the
my-
speed.
In the eighth
We gonna
round.
bet on the speed, man.
Can I put my ticket?
Yeah,
in
they
the
want to
speed?
bet on the
We gonna
speed.
bet on the speed.
Hey,
Yeah.
hey, Big, can I
That
get in on
motherfucker
this bet?
gets light. He getting to the end because he got a light ass car. He
Yeah.
ain't making no mile an hour.
More than 115.
Hey, bet he
No.
get faster than this mile an hour I just ran.
Yeah. Look, he got. Hey, man, you gotta call this bluff, man. You gotta call. You gotta call Pig bluff, man.
I can't call it, but I will though. I
Hey, look, call it right, Milton, man.
I know he ain't. That motherfucker.
Man, he got street tires, man.
A practice supercharged on that.
Yeah.
Hey, check it out. Check it out.
Hey,
Check it out.
Hey.
Fun, nigga.
Hey.
Pay it. And check it out. And check it out.
Hey, hand up.
And if your 60 foot is worse than a 160, it don't count.
What you mean? I'm talking about speed. We said we betting on the
I know, because your 60 foot shit like that, you gonna mile an hour like a motherfucker. You gonna mile an hour like a motherfucker.
I'm making mile an hour. The weight of my car, that bitch gets the hun going down the street. I just can't beat
Oh, they ain't nobody. He ain't gave. Funkytown say ain't nobody. Yeah, they probably.
Example.
Yeah.
Blackjack, but my boy Solid Killer had to put it to work. Hey,
Solid.
now, you know, hold on so I can. You know I got a revenge race with you the way you did me up in Ohio.
Yeah, I know.
So next time I see you on the track,
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. I'm sick of this motherfucker here.
Yeah.
Tell him that red bitch down his ass on the street whenever he want to do it.
I don't race
Fuck this track.
Hey man, y'all paying for racetrack. Y'all paying for racetrack.
Look.
That wasn't the owner that called you out there.
Man, got Solid Killer right there, man.
Hey man,
The Ghost, appreciate that, man. But they don't show their time. They racing for money.
Solid Killer always do his thing.
Yeah.
He don't cause no problem.
Nuh-uh.
He come in.
He be solid, yeah. He don't be saying nothing. Yeah. He got that little solid thing on.
Would you lock me back in next week?
I'll come on. I don't even know where I'll be at.
I know that's right. Hey, real
Hey, you know what?
Yeah.
He'll let him do. You want to do it again tonight?
You shook my hand.
But
you can't say what it's like.
on this bullshit ass track. You know it's kind of.
Let's do it again.
I'll do it right now.
Uh-oh, they said they finna do it again, y'all.
Say John boy better 100. Watch this. Hey, better 100 John boy. Watch this.
Yeah.
Watch this.
Okay.
Bet. I got your money. I bet.
We bet, right?
If that other's on the track, I got your 100. Yeah, bet.
We bet 100. Bet.
Uh-oh.
Hey.
It's gonna go down, y'all. It's going down again. Why he said, where Clyde at?
Don't your job.
Man, you got lucky, dog. You got lucky.
That's how he got lucky.
You talking about 200? Get the slide up there. I'm gonna show you.
Hold on. Now it's about the money. Now it's about the money. I got 2,000. I got 2,000. Get up right now.
Okay, come on.
Go find out.
Okay, come on.
Uh-oh, they finna do it for 2,000. Look, he talking some more. He talking I'm going up on my bed. Oh, snap. Oh, snap.
Hey, man. You
For how much?
Somebody else. You might have somebody else. Time slip. Okay. You might have somebody else. Time slip.
Yeah.
Bet 500.
Pull out 3 of them.
I'm gonna pull out 3. Bet 500.
Bet 300.
300? Yeah. Bet. 300, right?
Oh, they can't race no more tonight?
Hold it. What's that?
Hey, guys.
I gotta have 3 tickets.
Lately, right? Thank y'all.
Yeah.
Oh, Clyde. What? Oh, you already told them now?
No. We can do it, but they can't figure out how they want to do it.
Oh, okay.
They gonna do it next week.
Okay. Next week. Yeah, he do. He said 2,000.
John boy ain't finna eat right. I bet you look out some tacos.
Yeah, he got.
I bet you some tacos they ain't gonna get
Nah, I think he want to do it though.
I'm doing the 300, man. Man.
He don't want to show you that slip, man.
Make sure you tell your friend, tell your partner, tell your uncle, the one that don't know how to work his phone that good. Make sure he subscribed too.
Look out.